you guys have all been waiting to see one of our newest renovations, the renovation on the lake here in Lakewood, and we cannot wait to show it to you. First of all, just wow, look at this great room. It is the greatest of great rooms. We have high ceilings, wood wrap trusses. We have a beautiful gas fireplace with tile. We also have a feature wall with the dark iron ore color. We have soapstone. We have seating for days. We have an indoor-outdoor space with beautiful views of the lake and more entertaining space than anyone could possibly need. Just off the great room, we have a super open kitchen and dining space. Again, you have beautiful views out to the lake. You have amazing Thermador appliances featuring a freezer, fridge, and wine column with storage options on either side. And then we have a huge 10-foot island. This is the biggest an island can be without getting a seam. And then we also have the same stone on the backsplash that is also carried behind these glass cabinets. No detail was left out of this kitchen. Just behind the kitchen, we have this huge Butlers Pantry featuring a massive sink. We also have a 3-speed oven, a dishwasher. It's essentially a second kitchen behind your main kitchen. We also have over here a fridge with, again, some more pantry storage. There is truly no storage option that we didn't put in this kitchen. Moving through the Butler's Pantry into the mudroom / laundry room, we have a nice dog wash right off the garage for those dirty pets to get washed. We also have a storage built in so you can hang your coats, hats, shoes. Speaking of the pets, right outside the back door, we also installed turf so they have their own little space to do their business. Right off the primary bedroom, we have this incredible primary bathroom featuring a huge floating vanity with a framed-in mirror above. We have a huge wet room shower, the new, more modern way of doing your shower if you want to create that openness. We also have a really nice soaking tub with a chandelier above. So how about this office here? So we have tall ceilings, we did a nice tiled floor, and we also did this custom built-in. Our client wanted to display this war vest that he got out in Arizona, so we actually built this entire built-in around this vest. We also included practical storage for your printer and paper, and then we also have filing drawers over on the side as well. And another really cool feature that we did throughout the house, and especially in this room, is we kept the original doors from the old house. Upstairs, we have 2 fully renovated bedrooms. Each one features a full bathroom right off the bedroom. We actually themed these bathrooms for the client's 2 favorite places that they've ever lived, Arizona and Florida. One, we used warm tones to emulate that desert feel, and the other we used cool tones to emulate that ocean feel. Going up one more floor, you'll find the attic space. This can be a really nice flex space. Our clients are using it for a sitting / craft room because you have beautiful views out to the lake, but it could one day be a bedroom. You've seen where they live, now we'll show you where they have fun. So down in the basement, we finished 2,000 square feet. We have a fully stocked kitchenette featuring a sink and a mini fridge. We have extremely high ceilings down in this basement, so their grandson can, I guess, play basketball. Around this area, we have a really nice entertainment space with foosball and pinball and just a really nice place to watch movies. So over here we have a really nice fitness center with a built-in rubber floor, plenty of space for their equipment and a nice place to relax when they're done. But the real nice area is once you're done with this, you can walk all the way over here to your full bathroom with a huge steam shower. And as you head out for the day, you are reminded that this is, at the end of the day, a Lakewood home, and the owners wanted to pay homage to that by adding the typical historic Lakewood tile entry floor with the nice little border. Here at Mancuso Homes, no project is too big. If you want to start on your custom home, please contact us at mancusohomes.com.